G'day guys, we're down here today with Will from Engine Carbon Clean. We're going to perform a Stage 2 service on this 2017 MQ Mitsubishi Triton. This Triton currently has 166,000 kilometres on the clock, and the owner has advised us of a lack of performance and fuel consumption. Before any work is carried out, the engine is scanned for any engine codes, and on this scan, no codes were found. A Stage 2 clean requires the manifold to be removed. First, undo and remove the battery, followed by the intercooler hose and the throttle body. Unclip and remove the wire harness to the side. Then remove a fuel line to gain access to the EGR, cooler and manifold. Once all the components have been removed, they are stripped down and placed into the ultrasonic bath for cleaning. During the combustion process, whether it's a petrol or diesel engine, carbon buildup is an accumulation of black, soot-like deposits inside the engine, particularly in the combustion chamber, valves and intake system. This buildup can have a negative impact on engine performance and fuel efficiency, and over time can cause a number of issues. Once cleaned, the parts are inspected and dried before being reinstalled with new gaskets. A Provent 200 is advised to be installed to prevent the carbon buildup by removing the oily residue from entering the manifold. Now with the engine back together, it is primed and started and inspected before a Stage 1 is performed. With the unit connected to the air intake of the vehicle for approximately 1 hour, the entire inlet, exhaust, EGR and cylinder head are cleansed without any use of harmful chemicals or damage to the engine. So if your vehicle is lacking power and performance and you're getting poor fuel economy, contact enginecarbonclean.com.au.